Greetings, people. This is one of the most intricate part of the peanut. Yeah, it's the Crocus bag farmer, Rastafari soldier. Yeah, red, green, and gold. Yeah, I'm Boulder. And I'm here right now, St. Elizabeth. And unfortunately, I'm going to have to ride out, fly out back to America right now. But, this is one of the most intricate part of the peanut, you know, transportation and distribution. This right now, today, we gather up some peanut and we're going to roast it. The generals them in the bush right now. What am I do them? I get up some wood, pay, you know, roast the peanut. And see one of the generals say, yeah, Richie, then and the pan on the ground there now is made out of a cylinder, a gas cylinder. And what we're gonna do, as you see there, gathering up the wood right on the ground right here, and we're gonna start a fire, and we're gonna roast up the real St. Elizabeth Carnival peanut, the Jamaican peanut. So remember, it's a Crocus bag farmer. Real is real. Yeah, more life and more joy and more happiness. Remember to hit that subscribe button, yeah, and share, like. No say, we're there in a carnival right now. Look for the peanut roasting process. See my General Richie there. Yeah, I Sam over this, Sam usually roast the peanut for me. Right now, Sam not feel too good, so tired. I take over the roasting. How you see? We have two crutch right here, so that we're gonna put the pan on. And right now the man them a chop the wood to create what we don't call bram, the spark, the thing, aganti. So we done, deal with it and thing. But a carnival with the people. Yeah, this is how the place look. Yeah, a beautiful oasis in the southeastern part of St. Elizabeth, Yaganti. And that's how we do it. And as you see, the place is developing. The place looking good, like it should. General Sam over there, so. The right is to buy orange shop. I go and build up, but I go and build back. Yeah. So I'm just give you a piece of Jamaica right now, people. Right now, this is in my community. You know what I say? So we do it. Beauty and unity. Yaganti. One them right down here, so. Emma, deal with Yaganti. It's another great moment right now, like me as a people. But the people them want to know the story of the peanut out of Cornwall. It's Rastafari soldier. I just came off of the work right now, and unfortunately, I have to touch the plane, I have to fly out again, and I just thought I would record, the process once again. I've done it a couple times, but I hope you like it every time you see it. This is us, preparing the actual fireside for a crocus bag, a peanut, a whole fine bearing bag. But I want to show you certain things in a Jamaica, and I'm a General Sam. See this right here, it's a nice little jar what we have just for the moment. And yeah, them out there, them have to be my cousin. I already out this. Eh? How are you there, pan? You good? How are your name? Yeah? Look at this tree right here. Marvelous. Excellent. It's beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, man. More happy to see them nice with your garden and them flowers. It's necessary to prepare. And we're actually gonna roast a crocus bag, a peanut, a whole fine bearing bag. But I want to show you certain things in a Jamaica, and I'm a General Sam. See this right here, it's a nice little jar what we have just for the moment. And yeah, them out there, them have to be my cousin. I already out this. Eh? How are you there, pan? You good? How are your name? Yeah? How are your father? Them you don't know, man, you look just like him, man. Big up yourselves, eh? Just family. See bag here, to get roast up, toast up, for the most up, see? So I'm on the Crocus bag farmer here, Rastafari soldier. Come on, if you know, say, yo, this is part of, a ritual, what we do every time. We sight in a carnival, see the youths and we see the man them blaze the fire. This me I say, we heat the pan, throw in the peanut, I know see how it's going. Yeah, John Chewy.
But them years now you put anything close on bramble upon it.
Yeah, them bird called John Chewy, you know. Yeah. Nice, nice. June come, you know. So you them inquisitive, man, wanna know. See fire start, you know. Get you involved when fire burning, you know, cause fire is burning. See, you know. Man, them a spark a fire, you know.
Don't move your phone down. Fire did you all night.
From young auntie.
Yeah, catch you know.
And I bottom every spark still, you know. See, it's a team effort, you know, it's a team effort. The lady I bring it in, see there. Yeah. I get two scandal, them illegal, so we are hide the evidence, you know.
Put it on the car.
Yeah, man. Now background, you know. Yeah, I mean, I place for real people. I smoke up the place. Right now, are the most important part of the peanut thing, you know. Right now, are the roasting part. You know, acquiring the peanut, yeah, require money. But when I try to show you, say, at the roasting part, fire, bone. So, in a due time, yeah, in a due time, people, you know, say, the peanut are ready to dip on the plane and you are get some. So right now, you really see what I go on. But really I go on. You are going to remember it's a Crocus bag farmer. We are bring it up salt. We are bring it up raw. We are bring it up all kind of way. Link up so the thing can think up. 954-245-5180. Rastafari Soldier is the hero. More life, more joy, more happiness. But there I go and film it out in a, I go and burn 2 peanuts to bring up in the hills, up in the sky. I eat if you give me piece out for eat for June. Yeah, man. See the people. I'm a place. I'm a best. You see how it look? Nice and clean, if you know what I mean. Yeah, the Jamaica run smooth right now. In our times of the COVID, them say. Yeah, guarantee. I'm going to roast it and carry it. How you mean? Every time I go, man. You see it? Every time I forward the Crocus bag of roll through. Yeah. Yeah, people. The Crocus bag fly again, you know? Yeah. Every time I forward, I have to bring in the peanut. See, unfortunately, I never get a chance to make you see me earlier in the week because I do some work. But that's how it go for what it's work. Remember, it's Rastafari Soldier. Y'all can see how my little thugs come check me out right there, so. See? I'm a future farmer right here. Y'all can see. I'm the future farmer with the Cornwall District, Cornwall PO, St. Elizabeth, southwestern part. Yaganti of St. Elizabeth. My people, bless up my thugs right here, Dan. One of the youngest farmer right now in a Cornwall. Yaganti, big up yourself, General.
Big up yourself, Dan.
Zin?
So big up yourself. Big up yourself.
How you mean? Yeah?
Yeah.
Boy, but you know wait till I'm gone, man.
Come up to the fire. Yeah, my machine hand. Right. Hold on. Right. Put it right now, yes. I'll show you. Put it right now, this. Come now.
Joe, this two one look a bitch, brother.
Stone and goat, so. Brother.
They not do it, brother.
You know, so I go on.
I pull the pan this way.
Right.
Alright.
Lock it on.
You know what? No.
That took a long time to lock it. Shoot fire go out there, brother. Alright, then I know. Shoot fire go out there. Make up the fire go out. Make up the fire go out. More fire go out there. Yeah, alright, come in. No problem. Alright, you know, drop off out.
And the bag of peanut here we are roasting. You know.
Then they pull my car now, okay. And then
My car said, if I find no more right bag up there, can come in, an old bag.
Give me.
come, Cap, come.
It's just live, you know. It's doing alright. Fun.
So we start fire. real quick.
Got coach in a fire.
From the peanut farmer to like all beauty queen, this is my cousin, you know. Yeah. YouTube, you're up on this. Yeah, in our place with her. See how she pretty? Yeah. My auntie, she juke the peanut, them I say. She juke everyone so salt can go in it. So when you taste it, when you see the face, die and rich right there, so them a bake it. Yeah. Yeah, so you know, a really hard thing. We in the yard, look at you, them a play. Yeah. Upon the end of my general, how it stay. Yeah. Yeah, people. Yeah, you know it's the real farmer, man. Yeah, Rastafari soldier. Yeah, the Crocus bag farmer. Yeah, you know we love the farming from evening till the morning. And right now we're in the process showing you, yeah, the real famous carnival peanut. How we do it. How we do it. How we do it. How we get it to you. See there, a whole Crocus bag we're gonna put in it right now. How we do it. This is how we do it. Warm up the pan here now, you know. And there comes the song. I saw that in the people. I saw that. The pan not supposed to warm now. What you say? What you say? What you say, Sam? Because you're an expert in a yard. You're the expert, yeah, man. What makes you see the master baker? Yeah, this is Sam. Yeah, the master baker, this, you know. Them money, set the thing. Yeah. Yeah, Sam. Yeah, man. Anytime I forward, I want the peanut joke right and bake right. Yeah, them general. So right now, I'm a teacher. What have to do right now? See? I make you see yourself, guys. As I see, me have all earth when I'm young to brother. This, and earth is younger. I'm telling them, I make studio. And I know, I can make studio. Yeah. Yeah, the youth. Alright, we are opening it up now, people. Me almost miss it. And we are chewing. Because when I'm look while them that heat up, them that warm up the pan. See it?
you do a rock stone?
Turn around.
Catch again.
What?
He never eat up yet.
One
No, for
box.
round the so with round the so with tea, you mean?
One little box.
That's
Check
what
out the bag them on that time.
Box for door.
You feel that way?
So buy bag, this salt no run out.
Now shake it down. Do it on salt, man.
Show me so.
You see that, family? Yeah, so we pour in some of the peanut and then we throw in some of the salt and then we fill it back in. Yeah, I got it. Now we have put it on the fire now. Now we have deal with it proper, see? Yeah, people, you see it? Alright, right now what am I do? Them I cover over the opening because the salt will leak out right there, so you know? Yeah. See that, people? Them seal it up. Mad, I not even know nothing about that. Let's get a stone and knock it. Close them or close the pan, people. Close the pan. And now it's gonna start. See it, yeah, this way wait pan. The baking. Spread the fire good. Yeah, see it there. I deal with it proper for me. So people, remember, you know, if my battery run off, this is what we're doing. The Crocus Bag Farmer, showing you here in Cornwall District, Cornwall, P.O. St. Elizabeth, the actual techniques and the procedures that we use for the Crocus Bag Farmer. Roasted peanuts. These are salted. This unsalted process is one process less. Then you don't cut that piece.
No man, you know, part.
I really like fire, we cut you off.
Nah, pass the part.
Then you see that disturb the fire.
Tear off piece of it. Tear off piece of it. Just tear off the right.
Yeah.
Do the next side.
Simple.
Hold the next side. Hold up the piece. Hold up the piece.
Yeah, the man in a fire come to hold the piece.
You don't have to roll it. Don't have to.
Piece of flap.
See it there.
Right. That piece of the piece of.
See it there. Yeah. So general, when we touch the road with anything we do, so me I say the Crocus Bag Farmer, yeah, and that is the process. I thought I roast it. I Richie I observe. I Sam I supervise. I media video. And Auntie joke it. Jag Auntie. So remember subscribe, like and share. Yeah. I love our ground right now. We are straightening up the thinker we not go manga down. And more life, more joy, and more happiness. The Crocus Bag Farmer again. Me love the farming. From evening till a morning. Even from morning till a evening, it's still the same. Sometimes we do some night farming. So we're going to check back with you and show you what go on when we're done roast it. But I saw it going. Still here in the wee hours, ladies and gentlemen. Still roasting the peanut because it's a long process. I don't know if you can see Toy over there in the dark, but see it there. Still I roast it, you know. I think we're close to taking it off now, but this is the process. Yeah, as usual, people. My light, I go end when I throw out the peanut. I wait in the night where I finish it for you know. See it there? My battery end on the camera, but I still catch it on my phone. Right now, I cooling process. After I roast it in the pan, we have to throw it out and make sure it cool. Because if you keep it in the pan, it will burn up. Gotta keep the heat. So when we cool it, we bring it to you. And the truth, yeah, the Crocus bag farm, I see it there, the peanut. I want the first I see it before I even ready for eat. Right there. Real Jamaican peanut, just throw it. I have to use a light to show you in the night. You can see people, see it there, actually night. Yeah, I'm showing you the peanut right now. See the bakery. Yeah, we just finished up in the night, yeah. That's it go. Yeah. Finally finish up. It take all day, people. Yeah. Eat them. So remember, people, yeah. Let you know me how to do this. I hope you see me good. Yeah. You know it's the Crocus bag farmer, yeah. Rastafari soldier. Yeah. Yeah, and I'm doing it for you live. Yeah. Out here in Jamaica. Live. Sorry. Live. Yeah, more life and more joy. Never light in my hand and I go and try catch it. Because my battery camera. The battery on the camera finish. So the Crocus bag farmer and I'm here trying to catch some kind of footage here for show you. Say, the deal is real. Fly me and fly out.